the consoles on these XJs were really crap. The plastic brackets broke, the latches broke. So our friends at JCR Offroad came up with some American-made solutions to help you going forward. So I bought a new latch from them, but I also in the past bought a console mounting bracket, and I'll put a card up there so if you want to watch that video. But today I bought this latch that let's just say I've already bought a new plastic one, and it did just like the original one. This little bottom piece right there breaks right here. So JCR Offroad for 30 bucks will make you a metal one made in the USA. It is expensive, where the plastic one's only about 10 bucks. So let's see how easy it is to change this. All right, after a couple of weeks worth of wait, it just came in. So let's see what we got. We've got the latch here. It is metal. You can see it's welded, and there's the part that always comes off. There's something else in here. Looks like we may have some stickers. Looks like we got 2 sets of stickers. JCR Offroad. Okay. All right, so as you can see, this latch right here, this piece has broken off. And normally you pull up on it and it releases the latch from this little square opening and allows you to open it. So that's no big deal. I don't care if it's latch shut or not. The problem, if you don't have this latch, when your arm sits on it, it kind of wobbles back and forth. So if I'm driving like this with my elbow, this thing's aggravating it. It wobbles back and forth. Now, if you notice, the console does not wobble back and forth because in a previous video, I replaced the cheap plastic bracket that was crumbled into a million pieces with the JCR Offroad metal bracket. So it is good and sturdy. So no more rattling on this. This is just aggravating. So I bought a plastic one from, I think, Quadratech or eBay. I can't remember. But anyway, as all the forums say, it's going to break again. So with this new metal one, it will eliminate that. Now it's 30 bucks for this, but I'm tired of dealing with it, so we're going to replace it. Only 2 screws, and the thing pops right out. And now once you get this on, you kind of bend it down a little bit so it will latch. So it's latched now, and if I lift up, it'll unlatch it. So the thing that I wanted it for was to keep it from moving from side to side. I mean, it still moves a little bit, but it doesn't go way off. So I guess it's a winner. So that's about as good as these old XJ consoles will get. So this is the problem with these things right here. You see? So this is one I bought from, I think I got it from Quadratech. But they're all the plastic ones, including the original Mopar one, is junk too. They all break right here. And again, the only reason I need this is to keep that console from going side to side. So, garbage. So is it worth paying $29.99 for that thing? Well, it was for me because I didn't want to have to deal with it anymore. But for you, it might not be. You might be able to fab something. It seems to me like somebody ought to be able to take one of these and 3D print a better unit and just put a little bit more plastic there on the hinge part and sell it for a little less than $29.99. But kudos to JCR Offroad, I guess, because they did it, and they're really good at providing aftermarket stuff for XJs. So have a great weekend, and I hope this helps you make a buying decision. By the way, I'll put a link in the description below for the JCR version of this. Thanks.